Morning guys, we're out for another day of fishing and at the moment it is raining, there's a lot of wind, it's calming down, the tide is pumping in which should be good for the fish, but if we look over there, look at all that swell, you've got the wind pushing out of the ocean and you've got the ocean pushing into the wind, so it's going to be very, very fun out there.
Look at what we launched off of, look at that.
Nah, no dent.
Oh yeah.
Nah, that one was already there.
Yeah, I know. Hit right on the back corner there.
There's a bit of a
Yeah,
dent.
yeah, there's a good one. Fuck.
If these weren't here, I would have been able to push it out, but yep, the boat launch went straight into one of these corners.
I went into that corner. Oh, there.
Ready?
Let's go fishing when nobody else
Perfect weather. Yeah, we're gonna catch
right
all
there,
the
mate.
fish.
It's glassy. This is a beautiful day to be on the water. Oh, Chris. Oh. Finally on the money. On the lighter gear today as well. Nah, it's alright. If I get lucky, I'll double over. Oh, I will double over, I reckon. Just leave it out there, leave it on that side. Oh. We're out here battling the wind and the cold and the rain.
Oh, you're on too.
Ah!
Triple hook up. You want that one, Ella?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess. I can't fucking wind though.
I'll get this one in quickly.
Oh, it's come off anyway. Oh no.
No, he's not. It's just light drag.
Oh my god.
That shit. Old Rodney can hold him.
I'll get the cool down.
Nah. This fucking rod between my legs. Not doing it for me. Get that shit out of my way. There's my fish. A nice one, going a wee. Send him off. Pick up the other rod. Got hectic there for a minute. Ella's been trying to write off today the whole time we've been out here. That's just another nice pinky right there. And gone. Thank God that we're actually catching fish. We went out last weekend. It was beautiful, beautiful conditions. Not many fish, not many good fish. And now we come out today in the terrible weather and we finally get onto some fish. And we got triple bending. Last episode, double bending. This episode, triple bending. Let's get a line back in the water.
Just flip the tentacles, eh? Alright?
Yeah. I think it's bigger than the last one. Maybe? Ooh. $1.5 to 3 kilo rod. It's my small rod. A little bit of squid tentacle straight onto the jig head. They take it every time. Another nice little one.
This is dangerous.
I think it's high tide.
Let's go fishing, Austin says. It'll be fun.
We caught some fish.
Lovely.
We did all right.
Lovely.
It looks beautiful on the boat.
We're the only boat out here. The only one stupid enough.
We got out, we got our fish, we did all right. And now it's blowing 40 k's, maybe a bit more. The water looks.
Over 40.
terrible. On our way back in, luckily it's high tide, so we can get back through this channel alright.
Just slow and steady.
If I can see the holes. Next time I'm saying fucking no. You can go out by yourself.
You guys are going to see beautiful, beautiful water on the drone shots from last week. So we were able to actually go out wide, and now we're stuck in this shit.